sa mga in-demand na trabaho sa Pilipinas maging sa ibang bansa ay ang trabahong may kinalaman sa makina, pagdidisenyo ng mga gusali at istruktura. Kaya naman nagtipon-tipon ang mga engineer sa ginanap na Technopreneur Summit kamakailan kung saan tinalakay ang iba't ibang likha gamit ang teknolohiya.
This event is actually gathering the professionals who have been coming up their own products and their technology, current technology and development, so that they can contribute something for the new development to solve problems in the country.
At isa na nga rito ang solar jeepney na isinusulong ng ating pamahalaan kung saan hindi nakakailanganin ng langis dahil ang enerhiya ay magmumula sa araw.
With this event, we believe that we can help Filipino develop their technopreneurship. In return, they can earn money, they can help also people, and at the same time, they can help the industry and country. So,
kung ma-develop natin lahat na magkaroon tayo ng pamamaraan na mag-gather natin lahat ng merong advocacy na katulad ng advocacy namin dito sa technopreneurship na i-train academically, skillfully yung technology may po-provide mo na hindi ka lang nagkakaroon ng parang benefit para sa sarili mo. Yung may share mo kung ano, paano.
Malaki ang maitutulong ng nasabing summit sa bawat Pilipino. Bukod sa dagdag kaalaman, ito rin ay maaaring gamitin pang kabuhayan.
If you have a series of technical and then you have a methodology and system wherein it will result to economic impact, that is technology. So it's a very good that you have to apply technology, and of course if you have that technology and if you convert that is in a business or an entrepreneur, that is technopreneurship. And technopreneurship is really the one who keeps the world moving.
Ang teknolohiya ay naging bahagi na nga ng ating buhay, kaya naman patuloy itong nililinang at pinungunlad pa para sa kabubuti ng ating bansa.